Today we're making cinnamon rolls from scratch.
For the dough, you'll need all-purpose flour, sugar, salt, milk, butter, yeast, and a large egg.
For the filling, you need butter, brown sugar, and cinnamon.
For the icing, you need cream cheese, butter, confectioner's sugar, and vanilla. In a large bowl, add in 2 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, a 1/4 cup of sugar, and half a teaspoon of salt. Then mix all these dry ingredients together.
Warm up 3/4 cup of milk and 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter together, and then whisk in 2 1/4 teaspoons of instant yeast until it's dissolved into the mixture.
Pour in the wet mixture onto the dry ingredients and add in a large egg. Ingestion of raw eggs can cause salmonella, so ensure eggs are fully cooked before consumption. Then mix everything together.
Flour a clean work surface and your hands and knead the dough for 3 minutes until the dough is softened.
Place the dough in a lightly greased bowl and cover with a warm towel for an hour and a half until the dough doubles in size.
Roll the dough into a 14 by 8 inch rectangle.
For the filling, mix 1/3 cup brown sugar and 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon in a small bowl. Spread dry ingredients with 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Roll the dough lengthwise into a 14-inch log and cut into 1-inch pieces.
Place the rolls into a 9 to 10-inch baking dish and cover with plastic wrap and warm towel to rise for another 45 minutes.
Preheat the oven to 350 while rising. After the rolls rise, bake in the oven for 24 to 27 minutes or until lightly browned.
The principle of food science in this recipe is that yeast acts as a biological leavening agent and produces fermentation that causes the dough to rise in baking. The air and steam from the moisture of the dough acts as a physical leavening agent.
The principle of heat transfer is convection with the air circulating in the oven. Additionally, the heat transfer from the metal pan to the rolls is conduction. Set aside to cool for 5 to 10 minutes.
While the cinnamon rolls cool, make the icing by mixing together 4 ounces of softened cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of softened butter, 2/3 cup of confectioner's sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
After letting the rolls cool, spread the icing evenly over the cinnamon rolls. Place on a serving dish and serve.